Hello friends, today in this video we shall discuss the power of officers under CGST Act, which has been prescribed in section 5 of CGST Act. So let's see, section 5 has 4 subsections. So let's see subsection 1, subject to such conditions and limitations as the board may impose. So subject to board's conditions and limitations. An officer of central tax may exercise powers conferred on him and discharge duties imposed on him. So, subject to board's condition and limitation, central excise officer may exercise power conferred on him and discharge duties imposed on him. Now let's see subsection 2. Officer of central tax may exercise powers conferred on any other officer of central tax which subordinate to him, which lower in rank, or which subordinate to him. So officer of central tax may exercise power conferred on any other officer of central tax, any other who is lower in rank or who is subordinate to him. An officer of central tax may discharge duties imposed on any other officer of central tax who is subordinate to him, who is lower in rank. Now subsection 3, the commissioner subject to such conditions and limitation as may be specified in this behalf by him. So commissioner subject to certain condition or limitation delegate power. Commissioner may delegate his power to any other officer who is lower in rank, who is subordinate to him, who is lower in rank or who is subordinate to him. So commissioner may delegate his power. Obviously there is certain conditions or limitations. Now subsection 4, notwithstanding anything contained in this section, in spite of anything contained in this section, that means in spite of contained in subsection 1, in spite of contained in subsection 2, in spite of contained in subsection 3, an appellate authority shall not exercise power conferred on any other officer of central tax. Appellate authority shall not discharge duties imposed on any other officer of the central tax. So appellate authority will not these things. Appellate authorities shall not exercise power. Appellate authorities shall not discharge duties which are required to be done by any other central tax officer. So this is all about power of officers, which has been provided in subsection 5 of CGST Act. Thank you for watching.